sa mga kabisyo, kaupod nyo dapon si Ballerina and we are still here sa Negros Occidental Coffee Fiesta. So, subong may ano naman kita isa ka challenge and our players will answer trivia questions and kung sino man ang makasabat sa ila, makabaton sang prize. So, let's go! Pangalan?
Jenny.
Si Jenny ari subong sa Negros Occidental Coffee Fiesta. Sa kanay? Number 4. Question. Coffee is a fruit. Tama o mali?
Yes.
Yes, tama! Tama!
Yes.
Yay! Congratulations! Tama! Dahil, opo, ang kape, isa ka prutas. Congratulations! Dahil dyan, meron kang gift certificate from, syempre, Coffee Fiesta. Yan! Congrats! Name?
Hello.
What's your name?
Gimitz.
What's that?
Gimitz.
Gimitz.
Name.
Are you ready for our challenge today? Our question?
Yes.
Yay! Okay, so... Okay. Number 5. So when was instant coffee invented? A. 1770, B. 1771, or C. 1772?
B?
B? It's correct! Yeah! Okay, it's 1771 and because of that, you receive a voucher. Congratulations! Yay! Pangalan?
Faith, yun siya.
Number 2, okay. Ano ang naiibang katangian ng Arabica kumpara sa Robusta? A. Matapang, B. Mapait, C. Matamis.
C?
Final answer?
Yeah.
Yes, that's correct. Very good. Okay, so again, matamis. Mas tamis ang Arabica compared sa Robusta. Dahil dyan, free voucher from Coffee Fiesta. Pangalan?
Christian.
Ready ka na sa ating challenge?
Ready.
Let's go! Bunot ka na ipangga. Number 1. Saang lingwahe hango ang salitang cappuccino? A. Italian, B. French, C. Roman. Final answer?
Italian.
It's correct! Congratulations! Now, Jen, you will receive a voucher from Coffee Fiesta. Congratulations! Pangalan?
Bianca.
So, pick a number, ma'am. Number 3. Ano ang dalawang klase ng Arabica? Is it A. Cappuccino at Espresso, B. Java at Mocha, C. Latte at Americano? What's the answer?
Java and Mocha.
Letter B?
Yes.
Yes! Congratulations! That's correct! Dahil dyan, you will receive a gift certificate from Coffee Fiesta. Pangalan?
Saladong.
Ready ka na?
Ready.
Wala choice si Tita. Okay, Tita Hazel, magabutaan na isang number. Number 6. Okay. Ano ang bansang malakas uminom ng kape? Letter A, England, B, Italy, C, Finland. C? Totoo na?
Oh, totoo na.
Okay, the answer is letter C, Finland. Congratulations! You will receive gift certificate from Coffee Fiesta. Congratulations, Ida. Thank you. Pangalan?
Si Evelyn.
Evelyn. Si ma'am, fan gid pala sang kape.
Yes.
Yes, syempre. Number 6. Ma'am, ano ang bansang malakas uminom ng kape?
Finland.
Finland, final answer, letter C.
Yes.
That's the correct answer. Congratulations! Dahil dyan, you will receive a gift certificate from Coffee Fiesta. Yan, congratulations! Pangalan?
Landmark Uban.
Pick a number. Number 8. Very easy ni siya. Okay. Ang bansang Brazil ang nagtatanim ng pinakamaraming kape sa mundo. Tama o mali?
Tama.
Final answer ang tama? That's correct. It's tama. You will receive a gift certificate from Coffee Fiesta. Congratulations! Pangalan?
Roy.
Si Roy. Fan gid si Roy sang kape?
Yes. Super.
Pick a number. Last na lang na siya actually. Number 7. Okay. Bago na diskubre ang kape, ano ang unang iniinom ng mga tao noon kapag almusal? Is it A. Gatas? B. Beer? C. Wine? Beer? Final answer?
Yes.
That's correct! It's beer! Again mga kabisyo, beer ang una pong iniinom noon. Okay, so congratulations! You will receive a gift certificate from Coffee Fiesta. Okay, thank you!
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan?
Love Radio.
Basic!